Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about diet plan for preventing type 2 diabetes. I hope you will enjoy the video, so let us get started. Presented by Abdulaziz D and Sanyukta C again, under guidance of Dr. Ramalingam. In the couple of minutes, we'll be discussing about food groups, portion size, understanding food levels, glycemic index, weight loss, water, and in-depth diabetic foods, and finally, food recipes to cure diabetes. Healthy eating habits. Healthy eating helps you feel happier and healthier. To be healthy, it's recommended that you eat a variety of food from each different food groups. Try to eat more high-fiber foods. Eat less of the foods that are high in fat, have added sugar and salt. Drink less alcohol and be as active as you can every day. Healthy eating is about finding a balance between the foods you should eat more of every day and the foods that are best to eat occasionally. So what does this mean? Let's take a closer look. Foods from the grains and cereals group are a good source of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are very important because our brain and muscles need them for energy. Grain and cereal foods can be broken up into four main groups. These are breads, breakfast cereals, grain, and other products. In India, we have access to eat a wide variety of different fruits. Fruits is a good source of fiber and contains lots of different vitamins and minerals. Fruits are a great snack as you can take it anywhere and it's very healthy dessert option. All types of fruits can be eaten every day where it's possible. Try to eat fresh fruits. It's important to eat a variety of different types of vegetables, beans, and legumes each day. Try to eat a different range of colors. Starchy vegetables such as potato, taro, cassava, or sweet corn should form only small parts of your daily vegetable intake. It can be hard to work trying to eat 5 serves of vegetables each day. However, you can do almost anything with the vegetables. Eat them raw as a snack, grate them and add them to pasta sauce and vegetable snacks, slice them and add them to soups and salads, stir fry, steam, boil, or bake them. Dairy and its alternatives are a great source of protein and calcium, which helps to keep our bones and teeth strong. Aim to eat 2 to 4 serves of dairy or alternative every day. Full fat dairy is high in saturated fat, which is bad for your heart, so always choose a reduced fat option. Eating dairy food is the easiest way to meet our calcium requirements. However, you can get some from calcium foods. These are the important source of protein and irons, which is needed for the repair and rebuilding of our muscles, organs, and other tissues, as well as keeping our blood cells healthy. When choosing these foods, try to choose fresh and processed meats. Oily fish such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, and herring are a good source of unsaturated or healthy fats, which are great for your heart.
You may have been told in the past to reduce all types of fats in your diet. What is important is eating the right types of fat so that our heart and brain can stay healthy and to reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke. Eating too much fat, even if it's healthy fat, can contribute to weight gain, so use it in small amount. Fat is needed for healthy heart and brain function and has an important role in our body, including helping to absorb some vitamins and forming parts of our cell walls. Eating too much fat is not good for health. Did you know that keeping hydrated is just as important as eating healthy foods? Always try to choose water before anything else. For people who drink alcohol, it's recommended that you drink no more than 2 standard drinks each day and that you aim to have a few alcohol-free days each week. So what is a standard drink? A standard drink is a measure of alcohol consumption representing a hypothetical beverage which contains a fixed amount of pure alcohol. If you have diabetes and you are on insulin or taking certain types of diabetes tablets, then alcohol can cause your blood glucose levels to drop. You will need to talk to your doctor to see if it's safe for you to drink alcohol. Now let's look back on these healthy eating messages. Eating the recommended amount from each food group is less easier than you think. Let's see how you can do this. Eat 5 or more serves of vegetables, legumes, and beans. Eat at least 2 serves of fruits. Eat 2 to 4 serves of low dairy products or alternatives. Eat 2 to 3 serves of lean meats or alternatives. And eat 3 to 6 serves of whole grain or wholemeal grains and cereals.
So what does this look like when we put it all together as meals? Breakfast is the most important meal of the day as it gives you the energy you need to refuel your body after a night of rest. Your breakfast should include some high fiber bread, cereals, or grains to give you the energy you need to get you through the morning. Try adding some protein from some low-fat dairy or an egg and some fruits and vegetables from a balanced meal. Just like breakfast, your other meals should also be high in fiber, include a source of protein, plenty of vegetables, salad, and some legumes or whole grains. For some people, it's a good idea to have a small snack between your main meals to stop you from feeling too hungry or overeating. A healthy snack is low in fat and added sugar and can also be a good source of fiber. Some foods and drinks do not fit into the 5 food groups because they are not necessary for a healthy diet. It is better to try and avoid these foods and drinks. However, they can be enjoyed on a special occasion in small amounts. Eating too much food, even if in a healthy condition, can lead to weight gain. Reducing the size of your meals is one of the easiest things you can do to help you maintain a healthy weight. If we divide your plate up into parts, aim to fill at least half of your plate with non-starchy vegetables or salad, and your protein portion should take up a quarter of your plate, and your carbohydrate portion should take up another quarter of your plate.
Now here are some 5 traditional Indian foods for diabetes which can be easily found in your kitchen. First one is bitter gourd, also known as Karela. Bitter gourd contains insulin-mimicking compound called Ka polypeptide. The consumption of bitter gourd increases uptake of glucose and improves glycemic control. Beans. Beans contain fiber, nutrients, and proteins, keeping us full and reducing carbs intake. They lower the risk of coronary arteries diseases in type 2 diabetic patients. Barley. Barley reduces high blood sugar level and appetite. They contain soluble and insoluble fiber that helps with sugar control. Fenugreek, also known as methi. Fenugreek seed soaked in water helps to control type 2 diabetes. They lower blood sugar and helps in slowing down the digestion process. Amla, also known as gooseberry. Amla contains chromium, which regulates carbohydrate metabolism and helps in making body more responsive to insulin. Amla is a great Indian remedy to control high blood sugar. Now, here are some homemade remedies to control blood sugar level and diabetes. Coriander and fenugreek seed juice. Take half a cup of fenugreek seeds and dry roast it. Take 1 cup of coriander seeds and roast it similarly. Grind the 2 roasted seeds separately and make a fine powder. Mix the both powders together. Boil 1 cup of water and add 1 tablespoon of the prepared powder. Boil it till the quantity reduces to 1/4. Drink this juice every day at least 15 minutes before your meal. Bitter gourd juice recipe. Take 1 cup bitter gourd, add half a cup of water, blend the juice, strain the juice, add salt to taste, add 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and your juice is ready. Buttermilk with aloe vera. Take 1 aloe vera and remove its gel. Mix the aloe vera gel with 1 cup buttermilk. Grind and make a juice. Add half tablespoon pepper, half tablespoon jeera, pinch of asafoetida powder, and add salt to taste. So, what did you learn from this video? People with diabetes do not need a special diet. Include a wide variety of healthy foods in your diet. You may need to reduce serving sizes to maintain or achieve a healthy weight. Meals should be high fiber, low glycemic index carbohydrates, and be low in total saturated fats, added sugar, and salt. Thank you.